Crossword puzzle. Across. Number 1. Christian leaders started blank in Asia Minor and along the shores of the Aegean Sea. Number 4. Across. Roman officials realized that Christianity could not be destroyed by blank. Number 5. Across. Blank refused to worship Rome's state gods. Number 6. Jesus' followers believed that Jesus was their blank. Number 8. Even though many Christians were killed, the religion continued to blank. Number 9. The Roman government blank Christians. Down. Number 2. Christianity eventually became Rome's blank religion. Number 3. Jesus preached that the poor and helpless should be shown blank in mercy. Number 7. Roman leaders thought Jesus might lead a Jewish political blank against Rome. And number 8. Most religions had more than one blank.